Ever wondered how to build your own Shopify website? Unraveling the complexities of coding might seem intimidating, but fear not. We're here to simplify the process and guide you every step of the way. The first thing you need to do is set up a Shopify account. Head over to the Shopify website and click on the Start Free Trial button. Enter your email address, password, and store name, and you're good to go. Now that your theme is all set, it's time to add products to your store. Navigate to the Products section in the Shopify admin panel. Click on Add Product. Enter the product details, upload images, and set a price. Repeat this process for all the products you want to sell. Next up, setting up payment gateways. Shopify supports a variety of payment methods. Choose the ones that work best for your target market. Another crucial step is setting up shipping. You can do this from the Settings section in the Shopify admin panel. Specify your shipping rates, methods, and regions here. Now, you've got your store set up, products listed, payment and shipping sorted. What's next? Well, it's time to make your store live. Go to the Settings section, click on Domains, and then click on Connect Existing Domain. Enter your domain name and click on Next. Follow the instructions provided, and soon enough, your store will be live and ready for business. Remember, building a Shopify website isn't just about setting it up. It's also about maintaining and improving it. Regularly update your products, keep track of your sales, and tweak your website design as needed to ensure your store stays fresh and appealing. In summary, building a Shopify website involves setting up an account, picking a theme, listing products, setting up payment and shipping, and finally, making your store live. But remember, the journey doesn't end here. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep growing your online business. Coding might seem daunting at first, but with a little patience and practice, you'll become a pro in no time. We hope this guide makes your journey into web development smoother and more enjoyable. Building your own Shopify store is a great way to learn coding and e-commerce, and we're excited to see what you create. Happy coding!